gently. You open your top bond with the aid of a brush. You apply your top bond to the base of the paper or the base of the cake box using a brush. You apply it round. You apply it gently. Then you attach it to your art paper. Just make sure that the 1 inch that you measured earlier on, the allowance is still showing. So you use your hand, you hit it well. You hit it well. Then you get to the center of your cake board. Then you tick to the top, the upper part. As you can see, tick to the lower part. So you are doing it for the 4 sides. Tick, you get the center, you tick to the, just like the east, west, north, and south. You tick to the east, the west, the north, and the south, as you can see all I'm doing. Then now we are to cut where we are going to add our ribbon. To those lines you tick, you measure to the right, 1/2 inch, you tick with your pencil. You measure to the left, 1/2 inch, you tick with your pencil. You have to do that for the 4 sides. You measure to the right, you tick 1/2 inch to your pencil. From the point you tick initially, you measure to the left, you tick 1/2 inch with your pencil. That's what we are still doing. You measure to the right, you tick 1/2 inch with your pencil. You measure to the left, you tick 1/2 inch with your pencil. That's where we'll be attaching the ribbon to. Then you cut with your craft knife. You make sure you cut it straight. Please be careful while cutting so you won't cut excess. You cut from the 2 lines, you cut out with your craft knife. It's applicable to the 4 sides. You cut half gently with your craft knife. You cut half gently with your craft knife. You cut out gently with your craft knife. Be careful while cutting so you don't cut through. Now